Today we're going to be going over moving the meat birds. So we got 25 meat birds in our Skoskovich type tractor, and we're going to go over moving them, how often we move them, and how much we should have been moving them. So first thing is, this is them when we were moving them once a day at about 6 weeks. They did that kind of damage to the lawn. Over here is when we started moving them twice a day at about 5 weeks, and this is moving them 3 times a day at, I believe we're at 7 weeks here. So we're going to be starting to move these things 3 times a day for the last, from week 7 to week 8. And this is on lawn. This is just in our backyard. So I don't know if you're out actually on pasture, if it would be a little different, but this is kind of the destruction that we're getting on the lawn. But I think if they're 4 weeks, 5 weeks, you could probably get away with moving them once. But I think after 5 weeks, it's 2 to 3 times a day. So let's move these guys on our tractor. So pretty much all we got to do, so we just got to pick it up and put these Harbor Freight tires on this bolt we ran in, and we just got to pick it up. There's one. And the other side. And they're usually happy to move. And then we'll move these guys where they need to go, and then we'll show you what about 4 hours of damage from these 25 meatballs. And so we try to do it pretty slow because they're usually laying down. But yeah, they're already happier to start getting on fresh grass. And there we go. And the white ones are the Cornish, and they have about 1 week left. And then a month after that, the Rangers go, and we'll keep you guys posted on how it turns out. Now that we got the video pretty much done, we've found out that we forgot to show you guys what 4 hours of damage looks like. So let's go check out the back of the tractor where they were. This is 4 hours of damage when you got 25 meat birds at 7 weeks old. So this is the reason we're already getting just desolate little patches. So that's why we're doing it pretty much every 4 hours until they go away.